There's London and Dan. Get the ball, London. Get the ball. You need to rub it with some meat scent.
Didn't play fetch. You got hit in the face.
You're gonna have her sit. Oh, look at she's so good. Oh, she threw it back at you. Get it. Get it. Ah.
Need the fetch.
There she goes. Oops. I got off.
Playing chase with myself. Next fetch. Go get it.
Oh, watch out, here she comes. Get it. Come on, get it. That's a girl. Oh, you missed the ball. You coming up the stairs to see Grandma, huh? What a good helper. Look at you, got a good helper, Daddy.
One help. All right, over here, in here. There you go. Good job. All done. Look at the doggy.
Yay! Look. It's London. Okay.
Big dog. Yeah, pet him?
London, say hi to Amber.
Yeah, so we're all done sweeping. What's happening?
Hi.
Let's get done mowing.
You can come over and mow mine.
Yeah, I sure could, kid.
Yeah.
Try to get our house for the open house.
When is that, today?
Oh, it's hell, yeah.
On the floor.
Yeah, she already christened my house.
Right.
Andrew, come outside. Come on.
Yeah.
Fred, she's right here. She's right here. Ted? He doesn't like the mouth.
She likes that size. He likes that size doggy.
What is that?
It's a big dog.
What color is it? Or she? Black, that's right.
Black like Grandma's car, huh? Grandma didn't bring her car.
Called in my
Some-
face.
You have to.
London.
I didn't have my sheets, so I just like separated them all apart.
Girl. Good girl. Baby.
That's London. She's sucking that soap. You just got your hand knocked.
Good girl.
You see his, see your tail?
2 peas in a pod.
What's that doing out there? I don't know what his tail's for. It's scratch it. Yeah, I'll scratch it. You can't even move this little doggy, huh?
Big dog.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Let's just try to get it from.
They're just playing.
That's my ball.
Yeah, they're playing with the ball.
That's my ball.
She likes to jump. Yeah, she likes to jump on Dad. Exactly. Uh-huh. Doggy's jumping. Oh.
Tell us more, Andrew. Just because I have the camera on you doesn't mean you're supposed to be quiet.
Tell Grandma about the dog. What's the dog doing?
What's it doing?
Jumping. Uh-huh. What else? What else?
Forgot the ball.
Tell us about the doggy.
Bring it back, Daddy. Here. There you go.
Yay, good girl. Yay. You want down now? You want back down? All right. Yay. They're playing, huh?
Okay, it's yours. Okay. Okay, it's yours. Okay. Okay.
Yay.
Bring it. Hey, come on. Come on. Where's my ball? Where's my ball?
Have her walk this way, Andrew. See where Grandma is? Walk her towards there. Say, come on, doggy. Say, come on, doggy. Good girl. Tell her good girl, Andrew. Good girl. Good job, buddy.
He's
Doing
there.
good. All right, now let's walk her back up to the garage. Say, turn around. All right, this way.
Somebody always has to be doing edging or mowing or something while I'm taping.
Say, come on, London. This way. This way. She'll follow you. There you go. Good job. Keep going, Andrew. She'll follow
I
you.
think she's pulling more on your end. He is. I get her to say, come
Come
on.
on. Come on, London.
I see London. I see Grant.
I was wondering when that was going to happen.
Say, come on.
Come on, London.
Say, come on, doggy.
Come on.
They're coming backwards. There you go. Here she comes, Andrew. Go with her. You got her. Go that way. Oh, she knows that's Uncle Dave.